Okay, I just finished doing this netting over the backyard. So the cats have a run here. It goes all the way over there. It's covered here for when it rains. Little Freya is down here. Whoops, can you see her? There she is. She's the one we have to have this for because she'll just go up and over the fence. So now we've got the net, and she should be good for not getting out. And there's Wolfie. You can see Wolfie, it's too dark. There he is. Go, kitty. Go on, Freya, you can go out now, baby. Go on, there you go, girlie. That's a good girl. Oh, the precious one. Now stay here and be a good girl. Freya. Be a good girl. Hey, Freya. How about that? You get to come out now, precious. How about that? Good girl. It's okay. Uh-oh, Ivana. Good girl, Freya, you're okay. Oh boy, she went right back into the house. Okay, I brought her out again. She was hiding in the house. Be a good girl, Freya. It's all right. Be a good girl. She's looking at me like she really wants to get out. Come on, Wolfie. Here's Wolfie right there. Come on, Wolfie. Let's go see Freya. It's okay, Freya. Now you could play. Good girl. See, you don't have to have your leash on. I was bringing her out with a harness. He's happy to have her out here. She's happy to be out. Maybe she won't try to get out. Freya, that's a good girl. She goes. There she is with Wolfie. She's gonna behave for right now. Aww. Now she can explore out here like all the other kitties. See what's underneath there. It might be a mouse. back inside now.